Hey everyone, Google Chrome has introduced three major productivity features for the desktop version designed to improve multitasking and document handling. Today I'm going to show you how to use split view, PDF, annotations, and direct Google Drive saving. First up is split view, which merges two tabs and displays them in the same window. To use it, simply right-click any tab and select Add Tab to the split view. So let's click on tab we're on now, add tab to the new split view, and we can select the split view. Once your tabs are merged, you can drag the slider between them to adjust how much screen space each tab gets. For even more control, click the split view button to the left of the address bar. Right-click the merge tab to access the arrange split view menu, where you can reverse their order or separate them. Next, let's look at PDF annotations. Chrome is now capable of handling basic edits directly in the browser, so you don't need a separate app. When you open a PDF, you will see new tools in the toolbar for highlighting text, adding notes, and even creating digital signatures. So I have a PDF opened here. And if we click on the annotations option, you can see we've got the highlighter tool, the eraser tool, the pen tool. So if I wanted to highlight something, I could easily do that. All from Google Chrome. If I make a mistake, I can obviously remove that. And then if I wanted to add a signature, we can select the thickness, and see, it's really difficult to do that with a mouse, but you get the picture. Finally, you can now save PDF files directly to your Google Drive account to keep your local storage clear. When a PDF is open, look for the Google Drive icon in the toolbar right next to the download button. Clicking this icon automatically saves the document to a specific cloud folder titled Saved from Chrome. So if we click on this, do with or without our changes, let's do with and hit save. Productivity updates are available now on desktop with no need to wait for a rollout. If you find this tutorial helpful, let me know which of these features is your favorite in the comments.